News that's coming in from the state of Haryana. It is the Congress party that has denied ticket to Shailja, and it is the BJP that is now trying to woo her. Khattar has made an offer to Kumari Shailja, and he has said Kumari Shailja should join the BJP before Haryana elections. In a statement, ML Khattar said one of our Dalit sisters has been insulted. She has been abused. Sister is sitting at the home, but Hooda and Gandhi family are not even ashamed. This is BJP now asking Congress's Kumari Shailja to come and join the BJP before the Haryana elections. Haryana elections are all slated to take place on the 5th of October. The results of both Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir will be out on the 8th of October.
दलित बहन, आखिर दलित समाज, अनुसूचित जाति का समाज सब चिंता करते हैं उसकी, चाहे कोई भी पार्टी हो। सम्मान सबको प्यारा है, अपमानित करना ये समाज में वर्जित है। कोई किसी अपमान न कर, तो पंचायत में बैठते हैं, उस बहन को गालियां तक दी हैं इन्होंने। घर बैठी अपना आराम से। एक बड़ा वर्ग आज सोच रहा है कि हम क्या करें। बहुत लोग इनके परेशान निराश हुए। हमने ऑफर दे देके उनको अपने साथ मिलाया है। हम तो तैयार हैं इस ऑफर के लिए। आज तो हम तैयार हैं उनको मिलाने के लिए।
एक दलित बेटी जो चुनी गई सांसद, उसको भी बोलने का अवसर नहीं दिया जा रहा। जिस तरह से हुड्डा जी के समर्थकों ने कुमारी शैलजा जी को बार बार अपमानित किया, ये अपने आप में दिखाता है कांग्रेस ने मन बना लिया है। जैसे राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा कि आरक्षण खत्म करना चाहते हैं, मुझे लगता है यहां से कांग्रेस दलितों का नेतृत्व ही खत्म करना चाहती है।
My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me on the story. Kamaljeet, it's a bitter battle which is being fought between the Congress and the BJP, and now this olive branch is being extended by ML Khattar to Kumari Shailja.
Well, there seems to be massive infighting in Congress party, and obviously this is what BJP is now hinting at Kumari Shailja. But this could well be a red herring, because obviously this is a ploy by BJP. In one sense, this is all politics happening in Haryana. Now, there is obviously an incident where a Congress worker in front of Bhupinder Singh Hooda did make a derogatory remark against the senior party leader, Kumari Shailja. Remember, she's also thrown her name in the ring as far as Chief Minister candidate is concerned, besides Randeep Surjewala as well. But the sort of remark which came in and a damage control by Bhupinder Hooda came slightly too late. And this is what the BJP has been harping, that Kumari Shailja has been insulted time and again, and obviously trying to kind of win her over by making those particular remarks. But there has to be a certain amount of politics which has to be seen on this particular front. And remember, Kumari Shailja has been very open and vocal, and her supporters have been vocal against Bhupinder Hooda.
Right.
So there is obviously division within the ranks of Congress party, but BJP wanting to take advantage of this. We'll really have to see how the Congress leadership is obviously going all out as far as this entire statement, either by Manohar Lal Khattar, Anurag Thakur, as well as Akash Anand. So this is where there seems to be a division. And remember, BJP is already facing anti-incumbency. What they want to do is target Congress party where there is Achilles heel, and perhaps they've found a point here where they know that there seems to be a war of words between Kumari Shailja and Bhupinder Hooda.
Right.
There are camps within the Congress party, and trying to create a further wedge between them and trying to target its own and consolidating its own voters, be it Dalits or be it the other voters.
Thank you, Kamaljeet, for giving us those details. Massive infighting, yes, taking place within the Congress also, and now an olive branch of sorts being extended from the BJP to Congress's Kumari Shailja.